Jim Rickards is a well-known name within the precious metal circles, and he's probably forgotten more than most people will ever know about gold and silver. He recently penned an article on the Daily Reckoning about gold price manipulation. Rickards is in no doubt that the market is being manipulated, especially after the expected rise in the gold price didn't happen after the recent crash of the stock market. He goes on to say that there's hard statistical evidence to back this up, and he has spoken to very senior people at the IMF, in the defense community, and in the intelligence community about this. He also spoke to a PhD statistician working for one of the biggest hedge funds in the world. This man found that COMEX, the primary market for gold, opening and closing prices for a 10-year period, show that if you bought after the close and sold before opening every day, you would make risk-free profits each time. He said that this is impossible without market manipulation. Rickards also found that Rosa Ambrose-Metz had written a report confirming such blatant manipulation. With the price of gold being set in both London and New York, it is possible to read the futures market by waiting until a little bit before the close and putting in a massive sell order. This scares the other side of the market into lowering their bid price. All you have to do is rinse and repeat. With 6 big banks, including Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, coordinating such moves, it's very difficult for the rest of the market to fight them. This means that big Western banks have basically a monopoly on gold prices, even though they own very little gold. The whole tactic is designed to encourage investors to offload their gold, thinking that the price is going down. This effect is actually magnified by the leverage of futures. Luckily, there's only so much actual gold going around. This means that long-term, even with the price of gold being manipulated in the short term, gold looks like an excellent long-term investment going forward. At Noble Gold, our team of experts have been looking beyond the manipulation for years. We actively look after thousands of clients and their families and their money and their investments, and we make sure it's safe and secure and actual physical precious metals. And if you want to learn about how you can get into some precious metals, contact noblegoldinvestments.com.